Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make a healthy and tasty multigrain chocolate muffins. To make these multigrain muffins, I am using homemade multigrain health mix powder. If you don't have this powder, then you can buy it from any supermarket. You also get it in online stores. Take a little bit of this multigrain powder, about half a teaspoon, and mix it along with the chocolate chips and the walnuts that we are going to be using for this recipe. We do this so that the chocolate chips and the walnuts don't sink to the bottom of the muffins, but it will be spread evenly throughout the muffins. Then take some milk and add 1 teaspoon of vinegar to it. Mix it lightly and this will make our buttermilk. If you get ready-made buttermilk, then use that. Otherwise, make your own batch of buttermilk like this. Then preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now we can start making the muffins. In a large bowl, take the butter. Make sure the butter is at room temperature. Beat the butter lightly for about a minute. Next we are adding the sugar. Since we are making a healthy cake, you can add any healthy sugar that you have at home. You can use country sugar, coconut sugar, jaggery or palm jaggery. Any sugar that you have at home, you can add it in. Beat the sugar along with the butter. I have given all the ingredients list in the description box. You can check that out. Then add 2 eggs. Make sure the eggs are at room temperature. Beat the eggs along with the sugar and butter till it's light and fluffy. Stop your beater in between and scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl so that everything gets mixed well. Then add the buttermilk that we prepared earlier and mix it with the other ingredients. All this makes our wet ingredients. Next we can add the dry ingredients. For this, place a sieve over the bowl and add the multigrain health mix powder. Then add some cocoa powder. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and another teaspoon of baking soda and some salt. Finally, I added a little bit of instant coffee powder. This is optional. If you want, you can add, otherwise leave it out. Coffee enhances the flavor of the chocolate, so I added it in. If you're making this for kids and you don't want to add it, then you can just leave it out. Combine all of these ingredients and sieve it into the bowl. Now mix the dry and the wet ingredients till it makes a smooth batter. Make sure you don't over mix the batter. We are using a multigrain powder, so you need to be extra careful to mix it gently so that the cake comes out soft. If you over mix, then your cake will be hard, rubbery and dense. Finally, add the chocolate chips. This is a healthy muffin, so you can totally skip out the chocolate chips and replace it with the walnuts itself. But in my house, if I don't add a little bit of chocolate chips, then my kids won't eat. So I've added just a bit of chocolate chips. Combine the walnuts and the chocolate chips into the batter. Then take your muffin trays. I'm using a mini muffin tray. I'm making these small tiny mini muffins. Instead of this, you can bake this in regular muffin trays itself. Whenever I bake these healthy cakes, I prefer baking it in these small muffin trays so that it's easier for the kids to eat. Line the muffin trays with paper liners. Then take a small ice cream scoop or a spoon and spoon the batter into these paper liners. Fill only about half of the muffin liner so that the batter will have enough space to rise. Then tap your tray lightly on the counter, and then these muffins are ready to be baked in the preheated oven for about 12 to 13 minutes. If it's mini muffins, then it will take about 13 minutes. If you're making regular sized muffins, then bake about 15 to 18 minutes. Check with a toothpick or a skewer. If it comes out clean, then it is done. Otherwise, bake for a little longer. Remove the muffins immediately. It will be a little hot. Remove it carefully, and then you can bake the next batch of muffins. So this is it, a super tasty and a healthy multigrain health mix chocolate muffins are done. Whenever I bake these healthy muffins, I prefer making it in these mini muffin trays. This way it's easier for the small children to eat. Otherwise, if I bake it in regular sized muffin trays, they'll just eat half and leave the remaining in the refrigerator. So this is very exciting for kids to eat as well, since it's so tiny and cute. These muffins are so tasty and so soft and delicious, you will not know that it's made with a health mix powder. These muffins are not just for kids, you can serve these to adults as well, and they will love it. Personally, these health mix chocolate muffins and ragi banana muffins that I make are one of my most favorite bakes. If your kids don't like eating health mix porridges, then you can make such interesting snacks for them, and they will definitely enjoy eating it. I make these chocolate muffins, I make a health mix cake, milkshakes, cutlets, which make it very interesting for the kids. They'll definitely enjoy. I'll leave the links to these recipes in the description box. If you're interested, you can check it out. So until next time, bye bye.